guys, welcome back to my channel. So today didn't go as planned. I had a totally different look in mind and ended up with this, which I'm actually in love with the look. I love how sultry it is, how smoky it is, and the technique of like that bright inner corner. Loving it. But I really wanted to do a soft kind of matte nude look, so all matte and all nude. And before I film, I usually start off by practicing the look on my left eye, and once I get it down and I know that I like it, then I'll film it for you guys and show you on my right eye. So when I was creating it on my left eye, I ended up going really smoky and dark, which was not my original plan, but I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. So if you guys want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Empress. Starting off with my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, I'm going to start running the shadow all the way through my crease, and then I'm going to smoke that out towards kind of a winged out shape. I'm now picking up Duchess, and then switching over to my Sigma E25. I'm applying this past this halfway point on my lid. I'm going to keep the inner corner of my lid free of any shadow because we are going to apply a lighter matte kind of skin tone shade there. And now once I have that applied roughly on my lid, I'm going to start blending that through my crease. And again, doing that same cat eye shape. And I'm blending this all the way into this inner corner of my crease. And it's okay if it gets onto my lid right here. We are going to cut the crease, but just try to avoid that as much as possible, but it's not the end of the world if you get shadow on there. And I'm just going to keep packing on that shadow and doing those same steps as I mentioned before, just to get that darkness and intense kind of opacity of the shadow that I like. And now going back into Empress and my E38 and applying this at the very high point of my crease. I'm going to blend the shadow and make sure it's very diffused. Going in with Empress and my E54 medium sweeper brush, I'm going to run this along my entire lash line. And then with my E15 flat definer brush, I'm applying Duchess just on this outer corner to really help kind of elongate my eyes and keep with that cat eye effect that I'm going for. To cut my crease, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Sand. I'm going to look straight ahead into the mirror, and then where my crease kind of folds over my lid, I'm going to use my EO6 Wing Liner brush to draw a line using the concealer to cut my crease. And then I'm just going to fill that in with the concealer using my Sigma F70 concealer brush. And then lightly go back and forth to buff that out towards the outer corner of the shadow. For my lid, I'm now going into Rain. I now just wiped off this F70 concealer brush, and I'm picking up the shadow and packing this over top of the concealer. Also, you can pick up a little bit of Duchess again on this E15 flat definer brush and just line the lash line just to give it a little bit more definition and dimension. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm going to Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Brood. I'm now going to line my upper waterline and then line my lower waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to these Tarte Lashes X Molly May in After Hours, and that's the eye look done. For my lips now, I'm going to go into one of my favorite cool tone nudes, and honestly I love using this lipstick just because it smells so delicious and like chocolate and dessert. You just want to kind of eat the lipstick off your lips, but don't. I've tried it actually, and it does not taste anything like chocolate. So I'm going into the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, part of the Le Chocolat collection, and this is in Sweet Tooth. And that is it. This is a completed look of my matte brown smoky cat eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm in love with how the look turned out, so I'm really happy that I ended up going with this look and not the soft matte look. But if you guys do want to see a tutorial on that soft matte look that I'm kind of envisioning in my mind, let me know and I will definitely film that for you guys. Also, these lashes, I am obsessed with them. They look so good with this look because they're so flared out. And they have like a little bit more volume on the outer corner, so it really kind of accentuates that feline cat eye shape, and I'm loving them. And they're super comfortable also. So if you guys want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also list up all the products that I used today along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!